Hello everyone and welcome back to our story time online. If you have seen our story time before, you will know that we read a story and we sing a song. And today I would like to sing a song that I am sure you will all know because it is our welcome song. Do you know our welcome song? If you don't know the welcome song, you will learn it. We will learn it together. Yeah, there are a couple of movements that we do with our song. The first one is hello, and we go like this. Hello everyone, hello everyone. And the other movement is a very difficult one. It's a bit like a stairs. It goes like this, and it goes up and up and up and up like that. Yeah? Are we ready? Should we try? 1, 2, me and you. Hello everyone, hello everyone, glad that you could come. Hello everyone, glad that you could come. Ay, 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 glad that you could come. Ay, 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 glad that you could come. Well done, that was very good. Did you learn now how to do it? If you've learned, maybe we can do it faster. Should we try? Yeah? 1, 2, me and you. Hello everyone, glad that you could come. Hello everyone, glad that you could come. Ah, yeah, 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 glad that you could come. Ah, yeah, 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 glad that you could come. Well done. Very good. You deserve a story. And we will read this story. It's called I Am Not an Elephant. And it is about this mouse. Where is it? The mouse there. And he is not an elephant, but it looks like everyone thinks he's an elephant. Let's see what happens. I Am Not an Elephant by Karl Newson and Ross Collins. And I'm reading it with kind permission from Macmillan children's books. Are we ready?
Hello, elephant.
I am not an elephant. You are. You've got an elephant's pointy nose. You've got an elephant's flappy ears. Bah! No, I am not. I am not an elephant. An elephant barks, but I do not. I growl like an owl. Growl. I beep like a sheep. Beep. I quack like a yak. Quack, quack. I meow like a cow. Meow.
Oh, you smell like an elephant. Smell-elephant.
I am not a smell-elephant. I'm a melon. I am small, round and tasty.
No, I am not tasty at all. I taste horrible. Yuck. I'm a moose.
No, you're not. You don't look anything like a moose. Maybe not, but it's what's on the inside that counts, don't you think? Or you would be a brush, and you a gherkin, and you, madam, an umbrella. I am a moose, and I am amazing. I am definitely not an elephant, am I? Bark! Ha ha! What a silly old bunch. Now, at last, it's time for lunch. Oh, burp! Gah! I'm not a moose. No, not anymore. Did you hear my roar? Yes, I'm a dinosaur. And the dinosaur is the end of our story. Did you like the story? It's a very ambitious little mouse, isn't he? There he is. And thank you very much for listening. Thank you for singing with us. And I Am Not an Elephant is available for you to borrow at the Idea stores. I work at the Idea store in Whitechapel, and you can come, give us a call, and we can hand the book to you at the door. And please follow us on the YouTube channel for our Idea story time. And I really hope you can join us next time for more stories and more singing. Thank you. Bye-bye.